be talking about the stuff comes out of the sky. What stuff comes out of the sky? Not cats and dogs, not money, but weather, precipitation. Hey guys, the first thing we're going to talk about are fronts. There are 4 types of fronts: warm, cold, stationary, occluded. The warm one is the first one I'm telling you about right now.
The warm front.
It brings light precipitation that lasts like 3 days and is caused when a cold air mass and a warm air mass collide. But because the warm air mass is less dense than the cold air mass, the warm air mass shoots up or rises up.
Unlike the Falcons.
And it makes clouds in the sky, and the clouds make precipitation. Something like this.
Turtle.
The second one we're going to talk about is a cold front. A cold front is formed whenever a cold front is moving this way and then a warm front comes and catches up behind it. And then they crash together and the warm front goes up and over, and that's how a cold front is formed. And what normally brings heavy precipitation, like thunderstorms that look like this. Bang, bang.
I didn't know we were doing that.
With a stationary front, it's just like a lingering front in your backyard. I guess it should be in the front of your house because it's front. But a stationary front, it happens when...
2 air masses collide, but neither of them are strong enough.
Hey, when 2 air masses collide, but neither of them are
Strong enough. Neither of them are Hulk. Okay, continue with your demonstration.
Yeah. Stationary front. In your backyard.
Front, which is warm and cold. You forgot to mention that when you did that.
Oh, it's also shown on the map by the... You see the little circle and the
I like
pointing?
stationary
And
front.
In an occluded air mass, there are 2 types. There's a cold one and a warm one. In the cold air mass, in the cold occluded air mass, it's so cold. Not so cold. It's just that cold front is so forceful that it literally pushes the warm front out of the way.
Push warm front.
We're done. And this is what it looks like.
Whoa.
Triangle.
Woo, Papa.
Catch me outside, how about that?
Nope, it's precipitating.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day.
There are 4 types of precipitation. There is rain, which is water coming out of the sky, which looks like that. Then there is snow, which is white, cold stuff coming out of the sky, which looks like this. Then there is hail, which is like frozen balls of ice from the sky. It hurts. Then there is sleet, which is like frozen stuff that stays on the ground and it sucks to drive on it. And I'm talking about low pressure where the weather is very bad and it rains and stuff. And it's not very good. It's lousy.
High pressure. High pressure is like happy, sunny, the exact opposite of that one. And you got sunny skies, clear skies, happy, warm, perfect weather. And it seems like the weather you'd want to play outside in, unless you're sleepy. Okay, guys, here's the last thing that we're going to be talking about. It's clouds, yo. We got 8 of them. Cumulonimbus. Yep, that's a really large word. Sort of sounds like Columbus. But it is a dense, it's a dense, towering, vertical thing of clouds. It's got atmospheric instability, and it brings thunderstorms. Okay? The stratus clouds look like this and are formed by rising thermals, or heat, because heat is less dense and cold. So it rises. Yeah, these are stratus clouds.
The next cloud is altostratus, a middle altitude cloud belonging to a gray, green, bluish color and is lighter in color than nimbostratus and darker in color than cirrostratus clouds.
The cloud I'm going to be talking about is the altocumulus, the most common middle altitude cloud. It looks like rolls and layers and patches, and the edges are thin and semi-transparent, which will appear with other clouds that look like this.
The cloud that I'm going to be talking about is the cirrus cloud. And this cloud is the really, really highest. And it's made of like ice crystals because of its altitude, and it's really, really cold up there, and they're like little wispy thingies.
Are you serious?
Of course I'm serious.
Nimbostratus, a continuous rain cloud resulting from thickened altostratus. This is a dark gray cloud, layers diffused by falling rain or snow, thick enough to blot out the sun.
The other type of cloud that we're talking about is cirrocumulus, one of the three main high-altitude tropospheric clouds. They occur at an altitude of 5 to 12 kilometers.
The next cloud we'll be talking about is cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds are detached, generally dense clouds that develop vertically in rising mounds or towers resembling a cauliflower. If you don't know what that is, it's like a white broccoli.
It's gross.
It is just gross. Sunlit parts are brilliant white, while their bases are dark and horizontal.
Weather! Here's to all things sunny and nothing that comes out of the sky.
Unless it's money!